Hi everyone, welcome back to David's channel, and in this video I will show you a guide of how to claim or redeem your American Airline miles. So let us start on how to redeem your American Airlines miles. So first you want to log into your AAdvantage account. So you want to go to this aa.com or open the American Airlines mobile app if you have one. Then sign in with your details. Next is search for award flights. Enter your departure destination and travel dates, then select redeem miles before searching. So the result will display available award seats and mileage cost. Extra tip is that flexible dates can save you miles. Use the calendar view to compare rates. Next, you wanna choose award type. So, American Airlines offers different redemption options like Mile Saver Awards, Anytime Awards, and Web Specials. So each of these has different offers and redemption. Next is you wanna go and book your flight. So you wanna finalize first in order to book your flight, and then review the miles required plus taxes or fees, and confirm and pay using your miles and a credit card for taxes or fees, and you'll receive a booking confirmation by your email registered on your account. And that is all on how to redeem American Airlines miles.